Welcome to LPU, where present meets future. Our work integrated program helps us earn while we learn, often enough to pay for college ourselves. Now you can finally live your tech genius college dropout turned entrepreneur dream without even dropping out. Because why drop out when you can learn from industry experts from around the world on a campus that spreads across hundreds of acres with over 37,000 students across 150 different disciplines? At LPU campus, we have over 1,000 activities planned annually, like this AI hackathon. Placements here are not a promise, they're data. All top recruiters want LPU grads. One of our senior even got offered over 2 crore. We weren't sure if we should congratulate him or ask him for funding. I did both, obviously. The world of AI and computing isn't coming. It's already here. And we are mastering it in style. Ready to future-proof your future?